To achieve the perfect wrap, you need a very reliable and precise production machine. We challenge ourselves to make our existing overwrapper, the Sollas FSX, even faster with a minimal downtime. In close cooperation with the end user, we have developed the FSX that goes up to 160 products per minute. This is almost 10,000 products per hour. We have used lighter components, stronger servo motors, and an improved control of the movements to be fast and flexible at the same time. A size changeover is realized in less than 10 minutes. The fully servo-driven machine is a real production machine for customers with high demand.